Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making zucchini fries. We'll need 2 zucchinis. The first thing we'll do is we're going to cut off the tips. Remove these guys. And then what you want to do next is cut them in half. They don't have to be perfect. There you go. And then you want to cut them into quarters. Just like a wedge. There you go. Okay, we have them cut up, and now we're gonna prepare the seasoning. We have here 2 eggs. You want to mix them all together. Okay, we have the egg ready. Next we have half a cup of flour. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some garlic salt to it. We're going to add around 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. 1, 2 tablespoons. And then you just mix it in with a half a cup of flour. Make sure you mix it all up nice and even. Next, what you want to do is add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And then mix everything all nice and even. Okay, we have the seasoned flour mix already. And next we're going to prepare the breadcrumbs right here. For the breadcrumbs we have around half a cup. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to it. For the Parmesan cheese, we're going to add around 2 tablespoons to the half cup of breadcrumbs. That, and then you just mix it all up. Okay, we have it evenly mixed up. Okay, next we're going to prepare the zucchini fries. We're going to dip it in egg wash, dip it in flour, and then dip it into the breadcrumbs. There you go. Don't worry if your hand gets a little messy. Okay, the last one. Dip into the egg. Dip into the flour again. And then into the breadcrumbs. And that's it. Okay, the zucchini fries are ready, and the last thing we're going to do is add some olive oil to it. You just spray it on. And that's it. It's just that simple. Next, we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to set it at 400 degrees, and we're going to go for 8 minutes. We're going to let it preheat first at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated at 400 degrees. You put them in, make sure the skin is touching the bottom of the basket. That way you don't have to flip them. Make sure they're spread out nice and evenly. Looking good. And like I said before, make sure the skin is touching the bottom of the basket. And we're set. We're going to put it back in. And we'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, the zucchini fries are ready. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Oh boy, it's really hot too. This is what we have today, zucchini fries, made in an air fryer. Give it a try, it's really delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How rude of me. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.